In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos and clicking on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Then hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple, use those icons at the top right corners, or this one at the top right corner. Either way, if you wish to discard and keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!